Okay, this is section 4.2. And first I'm going to check the pH of the solution we made by dissolving the copper in the nitric acid solution. So I'll dip the glass stirring rod into the solution and then touch that to the pH paper. And you can see that it's kind of, the spot I touched there is sort of a dark magenta type color. It looks like about maybe a 0 or 1 pH when you compare it to the scale here on the pH paper. And next I'm going to slowly add the 15 milliliters of sodium hydroxide. So I have that here, 15 milliliters, and this is just to be added slowly, occasionally stirring it. Again, we get some vapors coming off of here, which is why we're doing this in the fume hood. And you can see that we're starting to get solid particles in here, and the solution is darker in color. So again, we want to measure the pH now. So I'll get a new piece of pH paper here. You can see I got some of the solid particles on here, but overall this looks to be more like maybe a 3 or 4 pH now. Don't go by just the solids that I got on there. It's more this kind of orange color here. Next I will add 15 milliliters of deionized water, which I have right here. Give that a stir. You can see this is quite dark, cloudy looking now. There's solids in there. And now we need to add 10 additional milliliters of the sodium hydroxide. Again, measure the pH. And you can see now that this has become very basic, it looks like it's probably a 12 or 13 on the pH scale. And you can see that in the solution, it's very dark, very cloudy looking. You can kind of see some solids in there. And that's the end of 4.2.